Good afternoon, UND. I'm Tony Weiss. It's Tuesday, February 25th of 2020, and let's take a look at today's headlines. After a mild weekend, we do have cooler weather coming in for the next couple of days, at least cooler than it has been the last couple of days. Fairly quiet during the period, but we do have a chance of snow with a little trough dropping down on Thursday, and after we get through a chilly week, a warm weekend does await us. As we take a look outside, we do have clear skies greeting us this afternoon. It's 16 degrees. Visibility is clear at 10 miles. Dew point at 7, so we have some dry air out there as well. It is breezy out of the north winds at 17 miles per hour, and those breezes have been with us a good part of the day. As we look at the national temperatures right now, we are at 16 degrees. Again, a chilly day, but a pretty sharp temperature gradient locally. It's 37 in the cities, 44 in Kansas City, 47 in Oklahoma City, and 60s as you get into the south. 66 in San Antonio, 66 at New Orleans, and 66 over in Atlanta. So definitely a lot warmer down there. As we look locally, we see the chilly weather here in eastern North Dakota. 16 here, 17 in Fargo, 21 in Bemidji, 31 over in Minot, and as we get into eastern Minnesota, there's some warmer weather there, 35 in Brainerd and 37 in the Twin Cities. So a good deal warmer, just not too far away from us. As we look at the winds, we're breezy right now, 17, 22 in Fargo, and winds are in the 20s down in eastern Nebraska and western Iowa. As we look at satellite and radar, it's clear here in the upper Midwest. As we go to the south, we do have some precipitation in the central part of the country. Some rain in Kansas City, but going just to the west of there in Kansas, we do have some snow, and that precipitation extends northeast into the Chicago area. As we look at the Futurecast, that high pressure will slide off to the east. A low pressure system will drop south on Thursday, bringing with it that chance of light snow. Also on Thursday on the East Coast, there's a complex low will be bringing a lot of rain on the East Coast and snow just to the north in northern New York, Ontario, and into the Northeast, especially in Maine. As we look in our area, that trough will drop down on late tomorrow night. It comes into western North Dakota. It swings to the south and brings that little bit of light snow into our area early on Thursday morning. Again, not a big deal, but we will definitely keep an eye on it for you as the week goes on. As we look at future temperatures, we drop down tonight into the single digits. It's possible we could go a little bit colder than that. The low temperatures tonight are contingent on clouds coming in this evening. If those hold off a little bit, we certainly could drop a couple degrees below zero. As we go into tomorrow, we rise into the single digits in the morning, and then as we go through the day, we get back into the teens, which is where we were today. It will be an overcast day tomorrow, so a pretty chilly one out there. And tomorrow night, we drop back down into the single digits. As we look into tomorrow night after midnight, we also will drop below zero as that chillier air briefly comes in on Thursday. As we look at tonight's forecast, clouds will be on the increase. Just a cloudy night, but a few flakes are possible as a small disturbance comes through later on tonight. Lows down into the low single digits. Northwest winds light at 5 to 10 miles an hour. For tomorrow, a cloudy day overall. Low clouds will be with us a good part of the day. It will be calm, though. Calm winds, chillier than today, a high of 14 degrees. As we look at the 7-day, you'll notice that we have the chilly air through Friday. 14 tomorrow, 18 Thursday, 25 on Friday. But then on the weekend, we have a good warm-up coming in. 34 on Saturday, 37 on Sunday, and those 30s stay with us into early next week. I'm Tony Weiss. Thank you for watching, and have a wonderful evening.